Volkswagen Virtus is crafted for the ones who chase experiences and who love nothing more than the freedom of driving a sedan crafted to thrill. Outstanding exteriors. The sheer size and timeless appeal of the saloon silhouette makes it a crowd favorite. And the new Virtus is big by design, being the longest asterisk, 4,561 millimeters, and widest asterisk, 1,752 millimeters, in its segment gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. A contrast roof asterisk enhances its sporty look. An impressive grille with integrated LED headlamps and the chrome front wing with glossy black accents give Virtus a signature look. The sharp shoulder lines enhance the length of the Virtus and give it a streamlined appearance, while a rear chrome wing, dual shoulder lines and signature LED tail lamps make the Virtus practically unmissable, even from a distance. Impressive interiors with a best-in-segment wheelbase, 2,561 millimeters. The Virtus is spacious as can be. The digital cockpit and infotainment system placed in a high-gloss black island. At the center is a guaranteed conversation starter. Premium leatherette seats with contrast stitching carry the performance-oriented design to the inside. Chrome detailing and premium materials in the Virtus interiors exude a refined elegance. Performance line. When it comes to the thrill of driving, the GT badged performance line is as invigorating as it gets. It's powered by the revolutionary 1.5 LTSI EVO engine with active cylinder technology mated to a 7-speed DSG transmission, generating 150 PS of power and 250 Nm of torque.